Welcome, my amazing friends. Today I bring you a story that will touch your heart, inspire your soul, and teach you powerful lessons about life, success, and never came out. This is a story on a man who was not just an actor, not just a comedian. He was a legend. A man was. My name is Randy McGonagall Letter in the story of cinema. A man was by the pure for love what the beginning and what is. His name is Charles Spencer Chandler. Baldwin out. Connie is one. Sharon Chandler. No one outdoors, no one can match his grip. His word is done, his comedy is universal. His life religion is premises, gravity, and the power of never get off. Even today, the chaos of his time, his life is faith, his emotion is joy, his story is experiences. And his story, all my friends, my story will show you that no matter how hard life is, you must keep going. This is not just a story, this is a journey and journey pain. Reflections, forming students and military. One thing again, the count is solid and purpose for you, English, Latin, and the wind mountain you like never before. Are you ready? Let's begin. Darling Champion was born here in London, England, on April 16, 1889. His parents, Hannah Champlin and Charlie Champlin, were one permanent in the world of music and theatre. They everyday through sang songs and life for the same, who life and different plan for a young child. His father was an alcoholic, a man who ran even his house. Hank abandoned his family when Charlie had realized war. His mother, Hannah, has been later allowed to raise two children, Charlie and his other half-brother, Sindel. And youth life was kind to think you are wrong. The life is brown, scam over poverty. Sometimes there was a knuckle and no tail. Sometimes Charlie got to do bed grumpy. Sometimes his mother found pregnancy to aid you so here finally can write a light more. One mother from a small dwelling room to another. Their life in the fair and wind rode out. Charlie is a child. And Charlie, no matter how hard her life is, still finds what's too small. Charlie's mother, Hannah, wasn't standing still as time. She's performing this in church, hoping to earn a few pennies to feed her children. Charlie loved watching her. His voice practiced amazement, dreaming of a day standing in front of an audience for what they gone again. One terrible night, when the sparkling and think Hannah loves her boss. She's got nothing. She's waiting for he was one and gone. The audience saw. The team thinks a hero. That they wanted to fall off the stage. And then sometimes magical happens. A light was used by years old. One came out of the same chair. I picked all the compliments and then she said, and the crowd, the rally went louder, the clapping, the cry, the cheer. That was the first time Charlie performs in the front audience. The first time he felt the magic of the wanky people now. And deep inside, he knew. This is what I was born to do. Real life was cruel. After many years of waiting for clothing and sang, Charlie's mother loved me. She once said to Amanda of it. Charlie and his brother were left alone with family, no money and nowhere to go. They became swing challenging, ordinary begging, begging for survival. Imagine things, a small boy, cold and hungry, walking the street of London, laughing to that I can't for food. That was Charlie Chaplin. Who did gave up. No, that is lots of. Never I kept going. We counted on three. And my friend, there is running is running jogging back. Charlie Chaplin was to choose a small hungry and only boy walking the circles of London. He came no home, no parents, no car for him, no money, and no idea where his next meal would come from. He and his brother Sammy were forced to lie in rock. Terrorist ranks were for people were sent to war in sample for food and shelter. These places were cruel and full of sorrow. Charlie was just 7 years old when a finished standing over these roundtables were found. Imagine a child so small, so innocent, being thrown into a world of hard labor and pain. His one is transferred for restoring and sent to another workhouse alone. And when he finally returned to his mother, he was never seeking for before. His meanwhile slipping away sometimes. His did ever recall Charlie. Charlie was a doctor like his mental officer. His crime is crying and wood is poverty. She was gone. Charlie was gone alone and what by doing. One evening is Spain. He had sometimes powerful in his heart and wing. Charlie wanted to perform. He wanted to be and say, this life is yours. He wanted to make people know, to nice to him, to bring joy and world that had been so cruel to him. But when one of four moments were gone, going wow, the every star, the first ship to raise formula. Charlie Nick had only one option. The war of faith or faith remains. He is still a teen when there is an calling for a smart role. His wife is living, the living in newspapers, and never walking and two mother. One no matter what George did, his hair was always on stand. Then one day there is a group of the twin performance activity making people laugh. Sometimes it is because talking. She is it. She is the chance. So his young ten. He started performing on the swing dancing, singing, doing small or comedy acts. At first no one cared. People just walking past him. Poor Charlie died gave up. Yet he performing became improving. His water honored communists and students their moments. Their time, their express. I'm sorry. People started noticing him. They stopped to watch. They started learning. Charlie was no longer just a screen performer. Christians know acting in real estate and from a big audience people long time. Dennison's song and summary is his expression is moment. As the ability to make people feel emotional versus everything at work. And then sometimes happening, the one change is life forward. Hollywood Campton. In 1910, Charlie was given a once-limited opportunity to go to America. He was invited to join a family comedy called with California Cardinals Company, which performed in the United States. This was cool. America was when he came to. Charlie Parker is the one who speaks on the ship. Rosie the author covered his photo. When he arrived in America, what is the very difference? The city was vegan, the people were oral, the energy was electric. And the most important, Hollywood was there. Charlie will not think. This is very warning. This is where I will become a star. In 19, a big company carrying company a studio noticed Charlie. They gave me a small role and rented to pay. I once moved Ruth Charlie's son over. He wanted to create sometimes unique. Sometimes the people want to never follow. And so his created Charlie. I spent more and hours exploring and thinking a funny life class, a chilling death, and the most famous one is war in the town. Richard was at the country become as one most iconic figures in the history of cinema. I feel people didn't understand their chart. For when Charlie performed when his mood, which made people laugh it was speaking a single word, the word "queen" and love. Charlie's Queen and started becoming popular. Producer Becky insisted on making more. A studio opened with almost of money. On the use of 5 years, the port from the secrets of London has become the biggest star in the world. In 1970, Charlie Chaplin was a young famous. It was funny. People studying him and the long lives used to watch never. His facts and premises of personal never paper magic. This was loved in every country, every language, every culture. And he was just getting established. We're having a face fan when he and their lover Charlie wanted the same boy. The boy was always stubborn on the screen. The boy would always cry of his mother. The boy was never the goal. Charlie Chaplin as finally made it in the port. Only word from London suggests was not the biggest movie star in the world. He was not famous. It was love. Millions of people watched his movie. They laughed, they cried, they cheered. One time and the success. Charlie went sometime. The one is winning. No, his my more is a need you want to ask. He wanted to come here and everything. The story, the lyrics, the music, the everything. I wanted to create the movie is a way. Good Hollywood like that. At the same time, actors were conquering my movie studios. The studios told them what to do, how to act, and even what movie to make. With Charlie Chaplin was different. He says, no one will control me. I will make one movie my way. I saw in 1990, I did sometimes the story with from initially why is our studio. Chaplin Studios now the country and more work. The crowd created a family and remain under no corporate control. They want to gain change. In the media model become on the most legendary film on the lifetime. In 1921, Charlie Chaplin film carried the kick. I want to use a comedy. I want the story. The story and four men and the opening is both. A story about only. A story I love. It was funny and also emotional. People laughed. People cried. The world was I fell in love with this movie. At the moment, Charlie knew Mommy with his responsibility. They were perfect. They could change life. And it was gone on the do to change the world. With every movie, Charlie became more powerful. Hollywood and never the until like him. Studio he paying an actor $10 a week. With Charlie, how is earning $1 million a day? We call the region and the most powerful actor in the world and the years and never forget his past. He still remembers the guys and the novel to age. He remembers his mother sitting alone in the metal. So every morning and the house every never stopped working hard. His one spending months every year. I mean just one thing. Every last moment, every man job, everything right, I planning everything. Because it's we just want to make movie. We wanted to make story. And they has I they sometimes no one value. By 10 ladies, 1920, Hollywood was challenged and new king of movie has really movies with song. For the first time, actors could speak on screen. Stanley finds Wally like Morris Tom Charlie. For Stanley movies, start watching Stanley win. For Charlie Rapids, he said movies only more emotions are more powerful than words. And the 1970s, when the world started sending movies were late, the rising city life. And the one of the most emotional, beautiful we ever made. Every now in the house of Yahweh, people cry watching it. The final scene where Charlie Chagarata love and the green girl is one of the rare moments in the film story. Even today, people count in the greatest silent movie ever made. And when you see movie, Charlie provides an emotional space louder than words. But the latter in 1910, the world was genuine game. Adult writing was granted the power in the remnant. It was displayed as one as failed. I Charlie noticed something strange had the same emotion as him. People started copying them. So Charlie Martin additionally he was uses his comedy to create a life. In 1941, a Martin movie came the Green History. I want to feel thanking more. It was no use of comedy and it was mentioned to the world. In the film, Charlie gave a friend wanted a more beautiful and nice story. We need to merge and think to life more than matter. We need harmony. Love and fight work and work on oneness. Less of the Spanish framework. The word Latin, the speech we can learn every today and watching millions of people. It was progress, Charlie was in Antonia, and it was fun, and it was for the people. What Hollywood they like to see. Charlie was the public in the and in some people like life and the political message. So the story I guys have maybe I couldn't I did I never did. The spring lights about him. And finally in 1922, three Forbes and the lead America. Charlie was standing on the big country and the really happy one. Hard-working Charlie moved to the south. With a floppy making noise. And now I feel like when his family were the war never compared. Then in 1972, after 20 years, Hollywood gradually the the image Charlie was, and the Oscar the time and the standing among the moment in the story. Train music our life, even Charlie have moved without and will not use an anchor. He was a lion. Charlie laughed and swing on when time never gave up. No matter of the fair life gave. No matter of the no matter how hard life gets, no matter how poor you are, no matter how many people restore you, if you have a way fine for him. Charlie was probably by now was became the most loving man in the world. Wilhelm is fine, it is user and the feeling lover his personality was for a story. People became recovered turning against him, and every father and his weak something to meet him. Now when real and discovered the love life is his winning regret is finally real and strong. And the solving story of for his the body was a story for his behavior. Charlie Chaplin was a genius and the love and were very complete. In the opinion love storyline, and many times I wrote the chief and the pain and drama. Charlie was married for time in the life. Once the president married eight sons and the woman left behind. So this morning on the sundown every two for the crew. People started saying Charlie can make work happy. When they can with happiness in love. Winter sometimes change. In 1943, when Charlie was 24 years old and then only, she was young 8 years old, people said. She is too young for him, of Charlie became. For the first time in second for true love, Una became the most important person in his life. She started my head when the world stopped happy. She was his boyfriend, his love, his evening, the Spanish Torre. I knew that the evening end. As deputies, the average got. There were the eight children today, for the first time Charlie and one family. And there, alive is final year of the British Charlie life in the beautiful home is time. I was peaceful, and I was kind, and it's been time wondered what it planning when it's king. His world was as the water telling about his past, his struggles and enjoyment. Sometimes when he walked and watched his own movies alone. Every time in the ones about Hollywood, he was an brother. People all over the world is in love with him. On December 25th, 1977, the world walked out with two sad news. Charlie Chaplin has been in the scene. In the one is 80 years old. The one Christmas Day, the world was dying. A man with him while a million of people laughed. People cried. Every country in the world paid attention to me. Neighbors broke in the world had lost in the crisis coming.